guys, it's me and my dad. My name's Kylie, and this is my dad, Joseph. And I hope you guys really like this video. And today we're making Scotch eggs. Stop! Stop! And be careful, 3-year-olds and
how will I do it? How will I hold it?
Stop.
That was just my little brother, and 3-year-olds and under. Don't let them do this. And I think this is my first time doing this, and I really hope you like it. And my little brother's messing with me and messing up with my video. And don't bother with my little brother. Don't mess with him.
Stop.
I want to be in it.
Then walk behind her. Okay, guys, we had to pause the video because we had a little bit of a toddler tantrum that we had to take care of. Kylie and I are going to be doing this recipe together. It's a Scotch egg. This is a recipe that you will typically find in Europe or in your higher-end restaurants. It's actually very good food and it's fun to make. And I wanted to show everyone that we can make this with children in the kitchen. So Kylie is typically one of my best helpers. Kylie is typically one of my best helpers when we go cooking and everything. And she really likes making the videos. So she wants to say something right now.
For egg things like this, don't let 3-year-olds and under do this.
Okay.
Okay?
We're going to start off with the first step is we're going to use raw eggs. Typically 1 pound of sausage is going to make roughly 4 to 5 eggs depending upon how thick you make your sausage rounds. We will be pausing the video periodically as we do each step because we don't want to have you guys waiting as the eggs boil and everything else. So we've got a pan here. We are going to boil eggs for 7 minutes. You can do 9 if you want a harder egg. I like a little bit of a runnier egg in the middle of mine. So we're going to get these boiled and then we will put them in the sink to cool. And we'll bring them back to you as we cool off the eggs. So see you guys in a few minutes. Well, my helpers ran off for now, but that's okay. Just came back after boiling the eggs for 6 to 7 minutes. 6 to 7 minutes on the boil. We then took it out and we quenched the eggs, and then we put ice inside the eggs, and we're going to let them sit until they're thoroughly cool all the way through the inside. Also, at this time, we have a pot of oil that is coming up to temperature. You want to get that roughly about 325 degrees to deep fry the eggs once they're done. So at this point, we're going to stop the video and we'll come back in a few minutes once we have the sausage and the meats rolled out and ready to go for the eggs. Alright, so we have our eggs boiled and shelled. And this is one of the things you guys need to keep in mind. Just take a paper towel and lightly roll your eggs all the way and make sure that they are dry. The reason being is because when you go to put meat around it, then you will have a difficult time getting it to stick because it'll be slippery. This is a very must step. Other ways you can do that I really don't like is you can roll it in flour or cornstarch and then dust it off, but it doesn't taste very good.
Could I try?
Alright, so we're going to now focus on our meat, and we want it to go basically thin. Okay, sort of like the thickness of a hamburger patty at McDonald's. Super thin. What we did here is we have a layer of plastic wrap on the bottom, our meat, and then our plastic wrap on the top. That way we can smash this without getting meat everywhere and meat all in the fingers. Alright, well let's
And if you have owies, wash and rinse your owies. And if you touch raw meat and you have to wash your hands, it'll stink. So, little kids, don't mess with raw meat. Don't let them eat it.
Alright, thank you, Kylie.
Love you.
Okay, everyone, we've got 2 of these Scotch eggs made. sort of like what Kylie's doing right now, is you want to make sure that your stuff is all the way even, all the way around. It should look like a little ball. What she's getting ready to do is she's going to put it into an egg wash. Go ahead. We have 3 eggs here. There is a method that you can use that's called wet hand, dry hand. Kylie's not at that stage yet to be able to do it. Make sure you coat all sides of it, so roll it around. Make sure it's good and slimy. Tell me when it's slimy, Kylie. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to pick it up and we're going to put it in the sauce. Make sure there's no slimies. Okay, now put it into this is breadcrumbs. This is actually garlic breadcrumbs. And you're going to pick it up, Kylie, and just drizzle the breadcrumbs all over. And then once
It's weird. Yeah, I don't think your children are gonna like this if you have children. Don't force them to eat them. Just let them try it.
Okay, see how you want to make sure you cover everything. Tell me when it's all covered, Kylie. Like that, you want to make sure it's good and covered everywhere. Okay?
This stuff smells good.
Yeah?
See, look. Washing hands really good, y'all. That's my brother that was just talking to my dad.
Okay, put it in here. So what we've got here is we've just got a simple thing that I'm going to use to lower it down into the grease.
Just making sure so that...
Okay, it's enough, Kylie. Okay,
No,
so
I need to wash my hands.
what we're
I'll
going
just do
this
the
oil
other
is roughly to about 420 degrees. And that will cook there for a little while. We're going to do the next one.
Is that fine? I'm doing...
Alright, so we are finally finished. Kylie went ahead and cut one of the Scotch eggs early. But I wanted to point out to you, make sure you watch your temperatures on your oil. We were letting it preheat as we were doing other things. You can see on here how this one is a lot darker and almost burnt on the outside. While when I let it cool down to about the 350 zone, 375, it came out to these colors. And you can see how we still have a little doughy in the middle. Go ahead and cut these others open, Kylie.
It was hard for the... Oh my goodness. Oh, hot.
Yeah, it's going to be hot. Kylie, there you go. Okay, so you can see the sausage. You can see the egg.
That's actually sausage?
Yep, that's breakfast sausage. Okay.
I like it a
So
lot.
juicy. And normally this would be a little bit more runny in the center. I like a runny egg.
Yeah,
But how's it taste, Kylie?
I was gonna say some yolk.
Taste the meat. Pick it up and take a bite for me. It's hot.
Good.
You like it? Good. So, easy recipe, fun to do with the kids. It's good.
Not 3 years old, okay.
But like Kylie says, not too young.
I've done that
But
like 3 times.
kitchens are not dangerous if you know how to work with your children and actually just teach them. Take patience and teach them. So this is a simple recipe that we wanted to do for Papa Joe's website. So thanks very much, guys. Please leave your comments below and let us know what your thoughts are.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.